well. You are a menace. You are a small blonde menace. Yes, you are. I've stolen him from Mum. He is slightly confused. He's excited to be down here because we haven't done calendars for 2 days. But he is also like, where is my mummy?
Doggy.
Oh, he was excited to make his way down here. I also didn't want to let him loose on the table because he threw himself at you when you opened the door.
Yeah,
It's been 2 days.
oh,
Hi. 2 days of treats. Oh, so many snizzes. So many snizzes. Long tongue up the nose.
very nice.
Not what you want.
Not really.
I'm here.
You're here.
Yeah,
You made it.
okay. It's been 2 days, but we remember what to do because Dad showed us the way last time. So ready, 1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas! So yeah, we are going to fake it a little bit today because it has been 2 days. Everybody has been incredibly busy in the mornings, and by the time that we got back it was cold and dark down here. So day 13.
What have we got in here, Kai? It is?
Oh, you found it. Well done.
I found it. Look. No, yes.
You're
What
trying to
we
stick his
got
nose in the
here?
empty ones.
Yes.
It's delicious. Why?
Oh, I hope
Oh my
you
god.
did.
What do you think?
Oh,
It was
they're
the big ones.
dark ones, but there's 4 of them.
Oh no, if they're little rounds, you
Feel
like
right.
those.
Good.
Oh god, they smell. Have we got them all? Oh, okay.
Oh.
Don't sit on my phone.
Yeah. Hey, you want to do one? Yeah.
Yeah, he
You
really
like
liked
that?
these ones. It was the large one that you only got 2 of. Kai, what's this? See? A little big? That's not a big.
That's a gimme now.
That's how I want. No,
You
very
like that?
belabored chewing.
Oh, a bit more chewing, eh?
Well, you got to hold on to them because I'm sure you're going to take them away when Dad and I try and solve puzzles. And you're going to have to keep him busy. So day 13. Oh, no, she's totally ignoring me.
Yeah. Sorry.
Day 13.
Yeah.
Down here, and oh look, it's already open and has been used. It was salted caramel and clementine, and it was absolutely delicious. And there is a taste test coming a little bit later. Time for Dad's.
Right.
Do we have? Is Klaus eating something today?
And he's always eating.
Yes.
Anyway, thankfully we survived the last task.
Mhm.
It's hard to imagine what those warriors would have done to us
Oh, that was right. We liked
if
the
you
last one
hadn't
because we
figured
could
out the
do it.
riddle. Yeah. Now you're racing back in the direction of the signpost at incredible speed. It's clear to both of you that you were on the wrong course. Klaus slams on the brakes as he approaches the signpost. The octopussian is still there and it seems to have been waiting for you. If only you had spoken to me earlier, it greets you somewhat flippantly. I would have told you that this signpost is misleading.
Oh.
Someone has deliberately changed it. Unfortunately, there is no trace of the culprit.
Oh no.
As you look closer, you can see too, the space parking lot sign appears to have been twisted and then fixed in the new position with adhesive tape. I'd have used duct tape, personally.
Not sponsored.
No, okay. The octopussian quickly explains the right way to the space parking lot. But if you ask me, you don't have the slightest chance, it says harshly. The others all flew through here long ago. You are by far the last ones.
Who is surprised?
Right then, growls Klaus. Growl.
Grr.
Yep. Grimly starting the engine and taking off. When the octopussian is out of sight, he turns to you. If the others are cheating, then we'll cheat too. Ooh.
I mean, fair.
I'm now switching to space jump navigation.
Ooh.
Didn't know you could do that. So
Apparently
that I can
so.
make up for last time. Space jump navigation, you ask? Slightly confused. Does this old clunker have something as advanced as that? Why didn't you say so earlier?
Yeah.
On one hand, because you didn't ask, and on the other hand, its use is, let's say, only permitted in exceptional situations.
Okay.
Come on, you can calculate the course and I'll fly. Carefully tear this page out.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
Oh. Oh. So we have a oh. Turn left, turn
You
right.
notice that most spaceships look the same. You know,
Well, like Star Trek.
no front end, back end, and
Dive into wormhole. Fly straight ahead. Turn left, turn left, turn left. Well, there's many left turn buttons.
yeah. Okay. Anyway,
Okay, so day 13 is there.
thank you.
Do you want to come up? Let's have a look. Oh, look, there's the octopusian. Oh, he's cute.
Well,
Oh, good grief.
yes, this is going to be fun.
Okay.
I don't know what this is all about.
Well, these are the instructions.
Oh, okay, hang on. So, because they're those colours,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
Okay, how do we find the starting position? Find your spaceship on the box. No, I don't think it's that.
No, next clue.
Yeah. The decoder table is also the control panel. Oh, we got that far. Decoder table control panel.
Ah.
Yeah.
We noticed that earlier.
Yeah.
To do.
Oh, well done.
Okay. Oh, these are the wormholes.
Yeah.
Right, let's start again. So,
One there. And,
turn left.
yeah, and complete.
That
Okay. 562.
that took a lot of brain power, even with the actual answer in front of us. Apparently, in the mirror one, where was the mirror one? There was a mirror. It was the floor.
Yeah.
Nimue had this one last year. My little mirror was way easier.
Oh yes.
Right.
Made for the job.
Made for the job indeed. Okay, Mum,
Yeah.
could you please come back?
Why?
Because we need to say goodbye.
Bye. Goodbye.
I'm so sorry.
I don't think we'll take up singing.
No. So Thursday, you guys were busy on Thursday. What were you doing? You went out for book club Christmas dinner. That's
Yeah.
what they were doing.
Excellent.
Did you have a nice time?
Fabulous.
Did you have a turkey dinner?
Yes.
Danny
Oh, that's
did.
nice.
I
What did
had
you have?
prawns.
Oh, very
And
nice.
it was all slightly hot, and because they're Thai, and they really
Was
did it
really first
beautifully.
class.
It was magic. I've put a pin on Facebook to recommend them.
Nice, very nice. So I'm going to do my chocolate taste test now. I have my hot chocolate, salted caramel and clementine. That's delicious. That's really delicious. That is also not dark chocolate. It would be epic in dark chocolate. So it won't be one that I get again, but I'm very glad that I've got it during Vlogmas. Yeah, that's really good. So I am up here in the office today. I have got 3 videos to try and do. I have a feeling that the day 11 that you're seeing is going to literally just be calendars, because Dad and I did film in the afternoon, but it didn't quite go according to plan. It's for a sponsored video, so I want to refilm it because I would like it to look good for a sponsored video. So I'm going to redo that tomorrow afternoon when I get back from my errands and having my lashes and my nails done, which I'm very excited about. So yeah, it's probably just going to be calendars only. Dad has his helper here, Vaughan, and they're out in the garden. They've got all the Christmas decks in, and Mum is currently in a meeting, and then she's got notes to do, and then she's going out for one of her Anna chaplaincy things that she does on Thursday afternoon. I think it's a visit to a specific person, but it could be a care home visit. I'm not sure. So I'm not sure when we're going to get to do calendars today. We might end up doing 2 lots tomorrow when I get... Ooh, they're out on Friday afternoon as well. Oh dear. I think my 2-day head start might get eaten into, but it's fine. That's why I have a 2-day head start. So yes, anyway, I'm gonna get on and get all those things done. So I will probably be back a bit later to hopefully let you know how all that went. And I do have some very cute animal clips from the last couple of days to stuff in here as well. Izzy is now shopping. This might be a solution for not having to wrestle with cats for the office chairs. Currently it's only a towel, and it's actually Dad's art towel. Would you like a proper bed there? Would that be acceptable? I hope so. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You're encroaching on the desk an awful lot, but we will live with this. There is a Jurassic pigeon. And these guys are very excited. This is a really good look at the backyard, and it will be beautiful when it's done, but it is currently a work in progress. But yes. Keep telling you guys these pigeons are huge. I know it's fluffed itself up, but that's the size of a small chicken. And they won't sit. Excuse me? This is not appropriate. I need to work. You are both having baths. Okay. Cute. That's it for today. So I hope you've enjoyed the very short Vlogmas. It was a slightly brain twisty calendar, and I completely hadn't realised
We
that
got there in the end.
We did, but I completely hadn't realised that the camera had stopped recording halfway through. But it was probably good because it was just like us reading the clues and still not understanding everything.
Yeah, but no expletives.
No,
Took them a while.
it did take us a while. Yes.
Kai was getting impatient.
Yes, and he kept digging at the back of my thighs with sharp little claws, which was unpleasant.
Are you going to say goodbye too?
Yeah, well, he's trying. He's like, no, I don't want to be picked up.
Oh, there he is.
So, quick thumbnail, smile. He's like, well, I don't want to smile. Don't want to smile. And yeah, we will see you all tomorrow. So, bye.
Bye-bye.